Hello and welcome back. In this part I'm going to show how to make a file and rename it and resize it. So let's make the actual file. We need the file to put the documents in, so let's have a look. What we're going to do, again, we're going to use window tools. How to? So right click the screen. As I said earlier on, right click shows the menu and left click gets rid of it. So right click the screen, come down to where it says new. This time we're going to left click the folder. So left click it, that gives our folder. Don't do nothing, that gives us the folder. That actually gives us our folder. Name it whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it file. Okay, it's called file. That's what I'm going to call it. Even though it's a folder, I'm going to call it a file. If you're happy, click the screen. If you want to rename it, right click, go down to the bottom and go left click rename it whatever you want to call it, and that's done. This works the same way as a text document. If you want to move it, just left click, hold it, drag it, left click, hold it, drag it, like that. Okay, if you want to open it, just left click it once and press enter. That opens. If you want to move it around, left click, hold it and drag it, just like that. If you want to resize it, just left click the edge and stretch it. If you want to, do it this way, do it like that. If you want to make it big, press that, left click it, so nice and big. If you want to make it back small, left click the box again. If you want to finish with it, close it. Okay, now what we need to do is now we've got the folder, we want to put the text document inside there. Before we do that, to move this, left click it, hold it, drag it. Okay, if you left click the screen and hold it and drag it over the two of them, both of them are blue. Now if you left click and hold it, you can drag both together. You say, oh, I didn't know that. It's pretty cool, and you can move as many things as you want. Okay, so anyway, to put the file inside the folder, it's easy. You just left click, hold it, drag it and let go, and now it's inside there. Now if you left click it, press enter, there's your text document. Left click, hold it, drag it, put it back on the desktop. So I'll show you again. If you want that inside there, you can just grab hold of it. It doesn't matter where it is on the screen, just grab it. As soon as it turns blue, let go, and now it's inside there. Now if you want to move this folder, you can grab left click it, hold it, drag it. Okay, now it's there. Nice and easy. So left click once to open it and press enter. I'm going to put this back here because that's where it belongs for now, and I'm going to put this over here for now. In the next part of the video, we're going to create a photograph, and then we're going to capture the screen. To capture the screen, you've got to use two buttons on the keyboard. That's an advanced feature, but it's nice and easy, so I'm going to show you. So I'll talk about it in the next part. See you on the next part. Thanks very much for watching.